Hello, this is Wilson from Doypack Machinery. We are a manufacturer who has 20 years experience. Today, I'm going to introduce a fully automatic pre-made bag packaging machine for coffee beans. And this machine is also suitable for granule products like beans, corn, dry meat, and so on. Now, let's look at some details of the machine. This machine is mainly included with main packer, Multihead Weigher, and the eject type conveyor. The eject type conveyor is to feed the materials into the weigher, saving place and labors. We use the 10-head weigher for measuring and weighing the products accurately and efficiently. The weight is easy to adjust on the touch screen. And here is the platform to support the weigher. It will be convenient for us in supervision and maintenance. This is the main packer. This part is for feeding bags. This machine can pack around 100 grams to 2 kilograms products, and the bag size is adjustable and the bag type is customized according to your needs. This part is for building the products into the bag and opening the bag, and dragging the bag here. At last, sealing the bag and output the finished products in here. This is the touchscreen with PLC system for easy control and supervision. This fully automatic packaging machine can pack 20 to 50 bags per minute. At last, let's look at the working video of this machine. Okay, after watching this introduction of this machine, you must get more information about it. If you are interested in it, feel free to connect us. We are warmly welcome you to visit us.